Hello YouTube, this is Raghav on my third video. Last video we saw how to make a bootable USB for installing any OS that we did for Ubuntu. Right now I'm in front of my laptop with all the distribution of all the partitions, hard disk partitions in front of me. So these are the recognized Windows partitions you can see here. And the one here that I just deleted was my Linux Mint that I just unallocated because it was crashed. So I had like around 30 plus 5 GB left out for Linux, dedicated for Linux. I just deleted it and I'm going to use this for my Ubuntu installation. So I think 35 is more than enough. And yep, that's it. Let's go forward with installing the Ubuntu. I'll restart my laptop and plug in my USB. And how do you come to this page? That's here. You just type disk management or just disk partitions. You have this on Windows 10. I think in Windows 7 it will be disk management and that's it. You just click this. You have this one. You have this page, and this will tell you all the partitions. Basically, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and actually just 3 manually created partitions and 2 Windows created partitions. 1 recovery, 1 boot. And this boot is for Windows, and this one I'm going to give it for Ubuntu. That's it. When you're freshly installing Ubuntu or any new OS, you won't have this unallocated thing. You will just have Windows and all the other drives. So you will have to shrink the Windows C drive and allocate new partitions. How do you do that? Just right click it, go to shrink volume. Okay, I think my C drive is already accumulated. I've shrunken it to the core, so I'll just shrink it from say G drive. We can shrink it from any of the drives and just allocate it separately. I can take around 13 GB from this drive and I'll just, if I just click shrink, it will create a new space that will be unallocated. I can merge both and just say this is a new drive. So currently this is unallocated, so I'll just use this for my Ubuntu. So the rest of the folders or the drives will access in both Windows and Linux. I'll tell you how to use it in Linux. For now it's accessible in Windows and it's recognized. Let's move forward to how to install it in Ubuntu. See.